So I made my own pasta with egg, flour, salt, and oil, and now I'm cutting it into strips. Wow. They have to be really thin, but this is what they look like. Just look at that. I'm going to cook it. I'm going to boil it and turn it into fettuccine pasta.
Why does it have to stick together?
What?
Why does it have to stick together?
So we could get used to each other. Alrighty.
Slowly. Don't just drop like that. Slow. You don't want to splash it.
A little bit there. Oh, it's hot.
Uh-huh.
My mom's gonna do it. I don't know how. Whoa. I'm gonna go get a wooden spoon. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna. What? That looks so cool.
What are you making?
I'm making pasta. Fettuccine. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh, okay. What? My mom's trying it. Tried it and she said that it needs a little more salt. So, yeah. We put some in it on the wooden spoon. It looks really good. Adding more flavor to it because it was a little plain. Look at that, that looks so good. Now she's adding some steak seasoning, mixing it. Alright, so I'm gonna try some. It's hot. It tastes really good. Yeah, I think it needs some more salt. Here's what it looks like. I think it's done, so we're not gonna plate it. Okay. He says it looks like a caterpillar. So I think now I'm gonna try it. It's ready. Uncooked. My mom's cutting some, and then she's gonna put it in the refrigerator. I have the cookies from yesterday, but you know how I Ziploc bagged the dough? I cooked that today, and it turned out really good. Alright, so she's plating it into the bowl. Ooh. Yum. That looks so good. It also tastes really good. Here's what it's looking like. It kind of looks like snakes. I'm gonna go to the dining table. Here's what it looks like. It looks so good. Bye.